Ma'am, one common problem, which a layman or maybe everybody, even if it is a male or a female, what they face in winters is if we are planning to go in a party and wear a dark clothes, and when we comb our hair, we have a lot of dandruff problems in winters. So for any person who has these problems, going out and wearing some clothes where they find the dandruff on their shoulders, it's not a myth that winters है तो ही dandruff है, and so we ignore it कि ठीक है seasonal है वो चला जाएगा.
In winters, of course, there is dryness. The
Right.
scalp becomes dry, and that is where there is flakiness, and that flakiness is dandruff. Now, that is the easy dandruff that can be taken care of just with a good shampoo or nourishing shampoo or something like that. Other than that, there are certain conditions where the dandruff or the flakiness is aggravated only during the winters.
Namaskar, I am Sapna Jain and welcome you to the Healthy You podcast, CK Birla Hospitals, Jaipur. Friends, winters are knocking the doors. Winters आते ही हमें सुहानी धूप, sweaters and a lot of good food हमें याद आता है. But winters also get some thing which is not acceptable to us. Yes, you are right. There's a lot of problems which comes with winters, mostly with skin and hair care. तो आज फ्रेंड्स हमारा जो टॉपिक है इसी के अराउंड है केयर फॉर हेयर एंड स्किन इन विंटर्स एंड टू डिस्कस विद मी ऑन दिस टॉपिक आई हैव अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग person and a leading doctor, Dr. Aditi Jain. Ma'am, thank you and welcome for your time for this podcast.
Thank you.
Dr. Jain is a leading dermatologist in the city of Jaipur. She has a years of experience. Her clinical expertise and a patient-centric approach makes her very acceptable among the crowd. Her approach towards preventable tips, especially in a manner which is acceptable and doable for a layman, makes her stands apart. Ma'am, first I would like to ask you, especially winters are here, and we come across a lot of hair problems, skin problem, dry skin, itching scalp, dull hair. तो मैम ये प्रॉब्लम सभी को होती है या देर आर सिलेक्टेड रेंज और पार्ट ऑफ पीपल हु एक्सपीरियंस मोर दिस प्रॉब्लम्स?
Okay, so what we need to understand is that in winters there are a few things that happen. One is that the cold weather reduces the humidity in the air.
Okay.
So the skin has less moisture to hold on to. Because of that, and you combine that with hot water showers,
Right.
reduced water intake, and that is your perfect recipe for a dry and flaky skin.
Okay.
Other than that, cold wind or cold weather clogs the pores also.
Okay.
So the natural oils that the skin secretes, they are reduced, and the protective barrier also becomes compromised or weakened. Now, a routine is something that everyone follows, and the changes that I've just listed out, ये changes हम सब experience करते हैं.
Right, right.
ये सबके लिए ये this is not specific. This is general for everyone.
Everyone, every age group.
So in general, not everyone needs to change their skin or hair care routine from A to Z, but there are few changes that can be applied in general, so for everyone, so that the winter care is taken care of. Like you can use switch from oil free wash to a gentle cleanser, increase your water intake, not stop using the sunscreen, use milder shampoos. So these are things that can be done for everyone in general and not just specific problems to be addressed.
Friends, ma'am correctly said that no doubt winters are there for fun and a lot of food to it. But of course, our skin and hair bear a lot when especially we move around without taking care for them. Ma'am, as the winters approaches, it's a common thing. People start using moisturizer. जो वो use करते हैं उससे ज़्यादा use करने लग जाते हैं. Even many friends of me would relate कि हम नहाने के बाद moisturizer use कर रहे हैं. थोड़ी देर बाद वापस स्किन वो इतनी इरिटेटिंग या फटी हुई फील हो जाती है कि हम बार-बार हाथ धोने के बाद मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करते हैं. सो व्हाट यू फील मैम इन विंटर्स में ये सब करना सही है या व्हाट बेटर वे वी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ आवरसेल्फ?
Actually, very common mistakes that I see amongst my patients or even friends and family is the thinking कि विंटर्स में जो भी कर रहे हैं वो ज्यादा करना है
हाँ
ना. अगर मॉइस्चराइज करना है तो ज्यादा करना है, क्लीन कर रहे हैं तो ज्यादा करना है. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट.
अच्छा
When you are increasing suppose if you increase the frequency of washing your face, but you haven't switched from your foaming face wash to a gentle one, then you are stripping the skin from its natural oils,
right
so which is going to cause the dullness and the dryness. Now to counter that, you are going to apply a put petroleum based cream or some kind of a oil or something, so you're confusing your skin.
right
You at one point you're making your skin dry, and the very next minute you're putting oil which is going to clog the pores and cause you to break out.
right
So ये बहुत common mistakes हैं जो लोग करते हैं. Another very common and very big blunder, I would say, not just a mistake, that the people stop using sunscreen during the winters.
हाँ
क्यों? क्योंकि ठंड की धूप अच्छी लगती है.
हाँ
But along with that, the exposure time to the sun is also increased in
right
winters, because we all like to sunbathe. So not using a sunscreen in winters is a big mistake, and it is a big no. You have to use the sunscreen whether it is cloudy, whether it is foggy, whether it is just bone biting cold. You have to use it, because UV rays का exposure नहीं खत्म होता.
right
UV rays are going to be there, and along with that, more than UV rays nowadays, we have blue rays, which we all are exposed to, coming from our laptops,
laptops
desktops, tabs, mobiles. So that protection is also provided by the sunscreen only. So
okay.
these mistakes we need to be
So this
careful
is,
of.
ma'am, we have never, thought of that blue rays, which could
Yes.
also harm our skin. This is very good insight what ma'am has given to us. Ma'am, one common problem, which a layman or maybe everybody, even if it is a male or a female, what they face in winters is, if we are planning to go in a party and wear a dark clothes, and when we comb our hair, we have a lot of dandruff problems in
Yes.
winters. So for any person who has these problems, going out and wearing some clothes where they find the dandruff on their shoulders is very embarrassing.
Yes.
So, and is it, ma'am, it's more prone in winters, or it's not a myth that winters hai to hi dandruff hai, and so we ignore it कि ठीक है seasonal है वो चला जाएगा.
Uh, it's not a myth. I wouldn't call it a myth or a fact. It is neither. All right. Uh, in winters, of course, there is dryness. The
Right.
scalp becomes dry, and that is where there is flakiness, and that flakiness is dandruff. Now, that is the easy dandruff that can be taken care of just with a good shampoo or nourishing shampoo or something like that. Other than that, there are certain conditions where the dandruff or the flakiness is aggravated only during the winters.
Okay.
That can be seborrheic dermatitis. Now what happens is, जब बहुत ज़्यादा dryness होती है scalp में, तो scalp से अपने आप sebum production increase होता है, oiliness increase होती है to counter the dryness.
Right.
When that happens, sometimes there is a yeast infection or a fungal infection or a bacterial infection that can harbor, because it is a favorable environment for them.
Right.
When that happens, that is when you have the itchiness and the redness, and sometimes patients say also, ma'am, bleed करने लग जाता है,
हाँ.
crusting होने लग जाती है. So that is seborrheic dermatitis. That is a chronic condition, and it is aggravated during the winters. Patients usually give a very classical history कि मैम सर्दियों में ही होता है
होता
ज़्यादा,
है.
है ना? So that is how we also differentiate whether it is a regular normal general kind of a dandruff, or if it is something deeper. Now to counter these things, very simple steps that everyone can follow is using a ketoconazole or a zinc parathione or a salicylic acid based shampoo twice a week.
Okay.
Don't wash your scalp or your hair with very hot water.
Okay.
Even if it is peak winters and your temperatures are going below sub-zero and below the freezing point, even then use lukewarm water. Using too much water that is at a high temperature is going to hamper the sebum that is produced. And after that, avoid or limit the use of your curling irons and blow dries, whatever is exposing your hair and your scalp to high intensities of heat. ये चीजें हमको अवॉइड करने की होती हैं, बिकॉज इससे हेयर का प्रोटीन डैमेज होता है, विच कॉजेज ब्रेकेज ऑल्सो। एंड विंटर्स में जितना ड्राइनेस होगी उतना ज्यादा ऑयल प्रोडक्शन होगा, उतना ज्यादा डैंड्रफ इंक्रीज होगा।
मैम व्हाट यू राइटली सेड इज अभी आपने कहा था कि हमें आयरन और ये सब यूज नहीं कर सकता है, बट along with winters it also comes with a festive season also. मतलब winters और festive season more or less साथ में ही आता है. Now if we follow कि हमें lot some common tips which you would like to give people when they are out with on festive seasons in these winters, some basic thing they should take care of.
Okay. See, healthy skin and hair, it begins from within.
Right.
So your hydration and nutrition has to be to the point, so that you can maintain these things throughout the year and not just in any particular or specific season. Of course, festive season hai, wedding season hai, so you are constantly, you're using, especially ladies, har dusre teesre din makeup karna hai.
Right.
Makeup, again, it dries your skin even more. So now there are a few things that we have to follow without fail. One is keeping up with the water intake.
Okay.
विंटर्स में पानी का इंटेक ऑटोमेटिकली और अनकॉन्शियसली कम हो जाता है, बिकॉज इतनी प्यास नहीं लगती है।
Right.
गर्मी नहीं लगती, स्वेटिंग नहीं होती, तो प्यास भी नहीं लगती है। बट इट इज द अदर वे अराउंड, द वेदर इज ऑलरेडी ड्राइंग योर स्किन, इट इज क्लॉगिंग योर पोर्स, सो यू नीड टू कीप योर सेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड, नॉट जस्ट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, from inside also. So consciously remember to drink enough water, or at least to take the minimum required amount of water that is to be taken in the day, which is 3 to 4 liters.
Right.
Apart from that, to counter the skin dryness, people can take, or we can take, omega-3 fatty acids also, supplements.
Okay.
If you want, you can take supplements. Otherwise, in diet, from nuts, seeds, dry fruits, इन सब से हमारा omega-3 fatty acids, जो good fatty acids है, उसका supply हमको
that anyways
मिल
is
जाता है.
festive season and we are
Exactly.
already having it.
Yeah, but in moderate quantity,
Moderate.
not that you keep binging on it, but in moderate quantity, yes, you need it in this season. Other than that, as I said earlier, don't use very hot water for bath or for washing your hair. Don't overdo anything. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, because that's going to dehydrate your skin even more. Use products that are lightweight, moisturizing, but not very intensely moisturizing also, because it can cause breakouts as well. If you have events lined up back to back and you have to use makeup back to back, better to use a aqueous or a gel based makeup.
Okay.
Because a lot of times people use cream based makeups, and when the frequency is more, then the breakouts happen, then acne increases. So even some people say that यार winter में ही ज़्यादा acne होते हैं हमको. So this is where you're going wrong.
Right.
These few things
Things
are
which we do
there
the
that
mistake.
that you need to take care of during this season.
Ma'am, one more question I think I would like to ask you is, in winters we have this cracked lips and we keep on frequently, maybe sometimes after every 10 minutes we keep on, applying the lip balm. Now, is it right, or we need to take care something on this part also?
Okay, so recently I did a reel on cracked lips also on
Okay.
one of my profiles. And yes, again, that was also keeping the coming season in
Right.
mind. Now, this also, a lot of times, this also happens because of the reduced water intake. What
Acha.
I have seen in my practice and in my experience is that, irrespective of the weather, जैसे ही पानी का intake कम होता है, the first thing that gets affected is the lips.
हाँ.
स्पेशली आप यंगर एज ग्रुप में अगर देखें, जो पीडियाट्रिक एज ग्रुप है या स्कूल जाते हुए बच्चे हैं, जो पानी का इतना ध्यान नहीं रख पाते, उनके लिप्स हमेशा ड्राई रहते हैं.
Right.
व्हेनेवर यू आस्क द पेरेंट्स, जैसे नहीं, पानी तो ये नहीं पीता.
हाँ.
है ना?
सही है.
And what happens then because of the dryness, you will constantly lick your lips.
Right.
That is going to irritate, and then a lot of times it leads to infections also. But these things can be managed. Applying a lip balm is not doing any harm.
Okay.
Use a lip balm that suits you. I would suggest avoid the tinted or the colored ones, because in winter the frequency of application of the lip balm is more than usual. So इट शुड नॉट बी कि लिप बाम लगाते लगाते आपको कलर से या जो टिंट है या जो भी उसमें लिप कलर दिया हुआ है उसकी वजह से आपको कोई एलर्जिक
एलर्जी हो गई.
रिएक्शन,
राइट राइट, वेरी प्रैक्टिकल.
है ना. So these things that these are avoiding. I don't think that using a lip balm there is any particular number of times or any fixed frequency. You use it as much as you want, but try to counter these things from within by lifestyle changes, which are very simple to do, and these things can be avoided then. These cracked lips and dry skin and
Okay.
applying the lip balm pocket में लेके घूमने,
Yeah.
these things can be avoided with just very simple changes in our lifestyle.
Ma'am, any particular thing related to lifestyle modification जो आप चाहते हैं कि हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए, which हमने इस conversation में discuss नहीं किया हो? More or less आपने सब बता ही दिया है. Especially आपने stress किया है that we should have water intake.
Yes.
So, is there anything which you would like to say to the generation who is more ज़्यादातर ऑनलाइन देखते रहते हैं कि
Yeah.
क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं, विंटर्स में क्या कॉस्मेटिक आ रहा है,
Yeah.
न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करते हैं. सो सम स्पेशल एडवाइस टू देम.
See, I am all for hydration.
Okay.
If you ever ask me or if you ever see any of my content, I'm always for hydration because that is something that people I don't know why, but something very consciously people just forget. They इतना busy हो जाते हैं या तो फिर sometimes some patients say कि मैम याद ही नहीं रहता पानी पीना है. Well, and your skin, your body is 70% just water.
Right.
If you're not taking enough of it, then there is definitely going to be something that is going to get affected. And skin being the largest organ of the body, it is just mirroring whatever is happening inside. जो भी अंदर है वो बाहर आपको स्किन ही तो बता रही है.
Right, right.
So you can, one is of course you have to hydrate. Secondly, winters में a lot of times, दूध वो कढ़ाई वाला दूध and these garam goand and these things that
Hot,
produce ये गर्मी करनी है गर्मी low but in moderation. All right, especially milk and milk products. I always say particularly for people who have either acne prone skin or who have increased dandruff problems, for them it is better to avoid milk, but at the same time you have to take care of your gut health also.
Okay.
So don't stop your dahi and chach. You
Winters
can
में
take,
normally
because
लोग मैम नहीं
लोग
लेते
बंद कर
हैं.
देते हैं कि ठंडा हो जाएगा
ठंडा हो जाएगा.
No, you keep it at room temperature and then you consume it because it has the pre and probiotics that your gut needs for a good health. When your gut health is good, it's going to reflect outside on your skin and hair also. Very simple things.
I'm sure, ma'am, this podcast of yours would be liked by many people, but the bunch of people who are more prone to online shopping, especially cosmetic products, may not like it. कि मैम तो सिर्फ hydration पे stick कर रही है. She is not motivating us to buy some good product. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time on this podcast. And
Thank you.
I hope you must have liked this podcast, especially on the practical tips which Dr. Aditi has shared with us, and I think which is very, very easy to follow by everyone who loves to have a good skin and silky hair. And ma'am has been constantly, suggesting us to hydrate ourselves to have a good skin and be consistent on whatever we are doing for our skin. So hope you guys must have liked this podcast. And if you want to have more about this topic or want to have a consultation with Dr. Aditi, she is available in the hospital from Monday to Saturday, and you may take an appointment from her by calling us on number 735-717717. Thank you. हम next week another topic लेके आएंगे. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.